And what do we got in here now? That's the field car power plant. Your basic 3.7.
Big rod out. Earwigs in here and every other damn thing.
Wigs and rickets.
Basic field car maintenance.
Yeah. Take the corn out of her.
Just got a couple stuffs.
Alright then.
Alright then. This is the apartment of the Super ov10. The personal video. December 17th. Yes sir. This is where ov10 lays his head. Right there in that pillow. Right there. Yep. Mama's chair. John Wayne on the TV. Muscle field car on the computer. Boys, she doesn't get any better. This is living. Getting ready for a Christmas goose. Yeah, anyway. I better end this video because now I'm getting depressed. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm not. It's a beautiful day and I'm gonna go out to the Soul Collectors and well, first I'm gonna watch John Wayne. The best movie ever, The Shootist. Well, it's not the best movie, but his last one. And that's some spaghetti westerns I was telling you about. We will, there's my dad. God rest his soul. We put him on the old Super ov10 channel. Hey, Pops. You're on TV. You're going to be on the YouTube there, Pops. Old fighter navigator from back in the day. Yeah, used to fly the CF-100 fighter jets there. He's sitting in the back seat of that one flying level. Oh, there's me. Used to work on the old search and rescue helicopters up at Boeing in Empire. Anyway, we'll sign off for now. We'll talk to you later. A little inside peek at the man's life, as it were. Have a good Christmas. We'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching.